This video is an overview of the CGQuant software. This software is used to monitor data coming from the CGQ device. So, once you've opened the CGQuant software, all you need to do is click Start a New Experiment to start collecting data. So you're going to click there and then click the base station. Then it's going to bring up this dialog box where you're going to have to put in some information. You have to put in the actual CGQ device you're working with, indicate whether it's a shake flask or a bioreactor, whether it's standard mode or high cell density mode. You also have to input an experiment name and I would usually put the default position since we're not working with serum bottles. Then the sampling interval, so we'll just put, say, 10 seconds. So we can call this test number 2, for instance. Put in my name, and then the project is, we'll just call it test project. So once you've had all the information, click Save and Exit. And then to start collecting data, all you need to do is click Start All Unstarted Experiments. And select your base station and go. Then the system will automatically start collecting data. And you'll see that by these green diamonds. If your shaker is actually running, you'll see an RPM up here. Right now our shaker is not running, so that's why it says 0. And so you'll continue to collect data. You can do other things with this, such as get a growth rate. So this will show you the dynamic growth rate. But we're not growing anything at the moment, so we're not going to do that. You can also export your data as Excel or a PDF. And then, so you can see we're just collecting data now. Then when you're done, you just need to click the stop button. And it's going to say, do you really want to stop? Yes. So once that's completed, you can click the Excel button and it will export your data. You just give it a name and then it'll bring up your file. So it has all the information you put in originally. If you didn't put any information in, you can always add it here. And you just can keep going down the list. Some of this was already added before, and then you'll get to your actual data, which is here. This can be graphed using Excel or other graphing software. And that's it. So that's how you set up an experiment.